Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can fix a restricted account in the World application. So first step is to just have to review notifications or emails. So check your email including the spam folder and the app inbox or any messages explaining the restriction or directing you to submit identity verification. Next is you have to complete or submit identity verification. So typical requests include providing a government ID, proof of address, or date of birth verification. So you just have to follow instructions exactly and ensure that documents are clear and also valid. And lastly, if those steps does not work, then you can have to reach out to customer support. So if no message arrived or you completed verification already, then you have to contact support via the official in-application support channel or website. So you have to provide your account email, application username, screenshots of the restricted message, and any relevant documents. So you have to be clear but concise and avoid including sensitive info like your passwords. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.